Hi, to block and unblock contacts on your OnePlus Nord free, as a first step, find and open this phone application, and here you can either block contacts from the Recents tab or you can go in the Contacts tab, select your contact, and here you'll see this option to block number. So tap it, and now you can also enable to report this contact as spam, but I don't want it, so I'm gonna remove the check mark from here. And now we need to select to block this number, and that is how it looks now. You can do just the same if you go in the recents, just select the phone number, and as before, go in this block section. And now to unblock the contact, you just need to return back to the phone app, select the person, and here you will see this option to unblock it. So just tap it, and now it is unblocked. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.